Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Muvid Review. We're going to be taking a close look at Muvid in this review, and also, most importantly, I've actually put together some high value custom bonuses to get you the best result with Muvid. Muvid goes live on the 28th of November by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a cloud-based software that gives you access to a ton of music and actually allows you to compose your own music. You also get access to a video hosting platform that allows you to get unlimited views, allows you to share with unlimited audience. This gives you access to music in 20 plus categories. You can actually save unlimited music tracks. You get access to millions of ready to use tracks. So this has a ton of benefits if you're actually looking at driving a ton of traffic to affiliate offers. So I'm actually giving you access to some bonuses that would help you get the best possible outcome with Muvid. So I'm going to run through my bonuses, and then I'm also going to let you see how Muvid works. So bonus number one, I'm going to give you access to a cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic using YouTube, other people's YouTube videos. You don't even need to create your own videos. All you need to do is add your own links on top of these videos. This works in any niche. You can actually search through these videos, pick whichever one you want in any niche, and then you can upload images, add your affiliate links. When you share these, people view this, they are going to find your images on these videos, and then when they click on this, it's actually going to take them to your affiliate offers. Now you can use this to build your list. You can actually add opt-in forms on these videos. You can add call to actions on these videos, and then this allows you to create unlimited campaigns. Bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to a Facebook traffic software. One cool thing about this is this allows you to set everything on autopilot. You get access to your own custom page builder, and you can actually drive a ton of traffic with this cloud-based software. You can actually post and schedule images, videos, and different type of content to Facebook pages. Also, bonus number three, Muvid allows you to create different types of content. You can mix audio, you can compose your own audio, you get access to music tracks. Now I'm going to be showing you how to put everything together, and I'm also going to be giving you information about some free resources that you can actually use to create your own videos. And then I understand so many people are not so comfortable with showing their faces on camera. So I'm going to be giving you a training. I'm going to be showing you in a video a number of ways you can actually make money on YouTube without you having to show your face on camera, which is pretty cool. You are going to want to get this because this actually allows you to profit with the resources you are going to be getting access to in Muvid. Also, bonus number four, you are going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and quotes you can actually use with either your website, or you can use it when creating videos. This drives you a ton of traffic because this allows you to get people's attention easily. Also, bonus number five, you are going to be getting access to 200 already created mega background music tracks you can actually use on any project. Either you are creating videos for YouTube, for TikTok, for Twitter, for Facebook, or any platform you are trying to create content for. Also, bonus number six, you are going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates. Now this does not require you to have any special software. All you need to do is load these templates up in PowerPoint, and then you can customize, change text, change images, and then you are good to go. Okay, so that was repeated. Bonus number eight, that should actually be bonus number seven. You are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, and there's a ton of bonuses you are going to be getting from the vendor, and these actually include invoice management system, dropshipping platform, Blogger, that's a personal blog website. Just to let you know, you are going to be getting access to all these bonuses also in addition to my own bonuses. Now, to claim all these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and if you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of Muvid, where you're going to be able to pick up Muvid and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. And once you purchase Muvid, you are going to be able to find my bonuses once you log into Warrior Plus. You can go to your purchases, you find Muvid, and then you find my own bonuses right next to it. So this is a sales page. Here it says next generation audio composing, video generating, and hosting that gives you the winning edge. Access the world's first AI-powered all-in-one unlimited music and video solution for every marketing need. It's not rocket science, it's brilliant automation. So you get access to limitless stock videos and templates, limitless ad-free video hosting, limitless music generation and mixing in one click. So feel free to come check this out in your own time to get more information about Muvid once this goes live, 28th of November by 11 a.m. Eastern time. There's a ton of ways you can actually get paid with this. One of them include, creating content for people on Fiverr. You can actually, set this up as a Fiverr gig and actually get paid upwards of $20, $50, $100 for creating videos or for creating content on Fiverr. You get access to image editor also. So that's my review of Muvid. I'm going to show you the pricing right now. So the front end that gives you access to the AI based music composer, the video hosting, the video generation part, everything goes for a one-time fee of $17. Now there are some optional upgrades like the OTO1, that's the pro version, that goes for $47, which you can decline, pick that up for $37. You have the ultimate edition, you have the Muvid Lancer, you have the Muvid agency, you have the done for you have the reseller, and you also have the white label. Yeah, so that's going to be my review for Muvid. You're going to find a full demo right here on this bonus page, but right now I'm going to let you see the full demo of Muvid.